Welcome back to Getting to Know Coralogix Continuous Profiling. We've introduced continuous profiling as the fourth pillar of observability. Now let's explore how to navigate the profiling interface in Coralogix and understand its key components. To access profiles for a particular service, we begin within the APM Service Catalog, which gives us an overview of our services as we know. From here, we can select any service where profiling is enabled. I'm going to select the front end. From this service, we can have our usual overview, APM overview page. We can see our operations, API errors, but now we have profiles. Clicking this tab reveals a comprehensive view of our service's CPU consumption patterns. At the top, we have the CPU usage graph showing consumption over time. This visualization helps us quickly detect performance trends, spikes, or anomalies over a specific time range. The y-axis measures CPU time or CPU cores. This represents the total processing time used by the service. Spikes in this graph may indicate heavy consumptions, inefficient queries, or memory management issues. The x-axis shows the timeline, which helps correlate CPU trends with deployments, traffic changes, or system events. The profiling interface offers powerful filtering capabilities. For the drop-down menu, we can filter by Kubernetes pod name, application name, container ID, OS kernel. If you're troubleshooting a specific pod in a Kubernetes cluster showing high CPU usage, you could filter down to that pod name to focus your analysis. Below the CPU usage graph, you'll find the profiles grid, which breaks down the CPU usage at the very function level. This table reveals specific functions are responsible for high CPU consumption, showing both self-CPU time, which is time spent exclusively in that function, total CPU time, including time spent in functions that it's calling. One of the most powerful visualizations is the flame graph on the right-hand side of the screen. This shows the complete call hierarchy of your application, with the width of each function block indicating its resource consumption. The Reset View button allows us to return the default settings, while the Download button allows you to export profile data for offline analysis or sharing with team members. In our next episode, we'll dive deeper into analysing performance with these profiling tools, focusing on practical examples of how to identify and resolve real-world performance bottlenecks.